know what I'm up to. How are you spending your Saturday night? Who are you spending it with? What are you doing with them? Tell me. And one more thing.
With you guys.
Who's all-star party is back up.
So welcome. If you've been here before, it's alright. Carry on. As you were. See that little subscribe button and you're a first time watcher. Loads. I know what you're asking. What's been changed? Stu, what have you done? Right. Might as well tell you then, mightn't I? All the cars have been moved. Some CRX. Lovely. Joe's EK. And the one thing I hate about EK's headlights, does nobody think that the headlights just look ugly? I'm gonna get some tape later, tape them up to there. It's just the whole front for me. The bonnet, the bumper, it just looks, you know. And then we come to the main event. This girl needs no introduction at all. Stu's EG. Third person shout out. I fucking love Jaffa cakes. EG. Well, that's not attached. As you can see, I've got myself. Whoop. Got myself the welder at the unit. Boom. OBD Welding Works top mounts. And then I bought these because the suspension is supposed to hit up through the top of there. Fucking hell, they're well off like, aren't they? Top mount extensions. So I'm gonna chop all that out, weld that across there, and then up the side here, and then try and lift all this up here, bend it up, and then weld right across there. So that's what I'm gonna try and get done today, because the rest of it is all I've got to measure bits. Passenger side, right there. Ooh, shit. Yeah, so I'm going to chop this out again, lift all this up so that I can get the top mount nice and big. It doesn't really, only gives you about half an inch. Probably a bit, yeah, about half an inch. As usual, that took longer than expected. This is hard work, trying to bend all these up, and this round here where I'll have to fucking, well, it all sits on. I just have to sand and blend and get some nice edge on here to get a nice smoothie. I might have to just knock that in a bit. I'll have to build some pieces up, like round the back there, just on this corner. And then on the front there where I kind of went through because I forgot my sander. A gung hold with the grinder, so I'm going to get that up there. Get that welded up, weld it inside. I won't be able to do inside yet because my wheels are on. Carl, who's a carpenter who made the spray booth, is making me some little wooden feet to put on top of these. Come about 10 inch so I can put it on the sills. So yeah, put a little bit of rubber mat on, and then I can take all my subframe off and give this to Joe then. So, because Joe's after all that subframe, and obviously he can't K-swap till I give him that, so glad I put a new clamp on this. Mega. Proper clamp. So that's one side welded up. And get it on. So I've got to come out a bit here, build up the welds there. This I've done. This I just need to get nice and flat and a bit better flow in the weld. So I'll just grind that down a bit and then I'll re-weld it. So all I need to do is grind a curve out of it and then just re-weld over the top. This is alright. This bit just needs sanding down, and that bit should be alright. That should be alright. And then one down, one to go. Well, not down. I've still got a lot of work to do on it, but I want to get them on and then I can carry on doing the work then. And I can get it all smoothed down, sanded all down and re-welded and touched up where bits are need doing. And then jump underneath and weld all the underneath up. So, yeah, got quite a bit of fire. Quite a bit of fire, you know, just blasted through. So, it's burnt some of the thingy seal off. It's burnt some of the Raptor seal off, so see how it goes there. The other thing I didn't check is if the bonnet closed. Obviously it's hit that side, but listen to this. Only just. Bit of force, but only just. Holy shit. I should have really checked that ages ago. Luckily, millimeters. Fucking millimeters. Whew. Still got loads of welding to do, but my throat and eyes are killing me from this. Oof, I need to open that door. But that's the main brunt of that done. I just need to do some more under there. This back bit's alright. Back bit's alright. Still got a tiny bits and side bit, and I've had to build some of it up. Like put a layer in a thin and then go over it with the thick, but my fucking thing, I need a shorter lance, because that one keeps wrapping up and the feed comes out and it takes me ages to realise what the fuck's going on. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? Big lumps everywhere, and then I realised that my wire's all tangled. So I've still got gas, so that is a bonus. So I am literally running on fumes, literally.